Hi everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we will talk about the use of having keyword in the SQL. So what is the having keyword? So having keyword is similar to the where keyword, okay? But with the aggregate functions, we cannot use where keyword. So with aggregate functions like sum, average, we cannot use the where keyword, especially when using the group by keyword, okay? So in the previous example, we have seen that how to calculate the total sales or price for each category. And now let's say you want to see the total price of those category whose sales is more than 100 or whose total price is more than 100. So what will you do? So you can do select what is the two column names category and sum of price. Sum of price from the table name. Let's say this table name is orders, and after that you will use group by and then category. Okay, so here you have used the group by category, but after group by or on the grouped table on the grouped column, you cannot use the where keyword. So here you have to use the having keyword. So you can filter the records of grouped columns or rows by using the having keyword. So we can filter by having sum of price is greater than 100. So only these two records will come in the output. Okay. So if you have not seen my group by lecture, you can watch in the playlist. Okay. You can watch in the SQL playlist. So what is the order of execution whenever we write the SQL code? So first we have to select the column names. Actually, the column names are selected at last, but you have to write this at very first step. Select columns, then you have to give the table name. Okay. After that, let's say first, let's say there are 100 records in the table. Okay, 1 2 up to 100. But after that, after this step, this is step 1. In a step 2, you will filter the data with where keyword if it is required in the question or your business requirement. Okay, then here filter based on some condition. After that, you will use the group by keyword. Here you will use the group by keyword. So it can group the records based on some columns. Okay, here you will group by, you will use the group by keyword. After that, whatever you group the result, and now you want to filter, and now you want to filter the records based on those grouped columns, then you have to use the having keyword, and here also you have to pass some condition. And at last, you have filtered in here, then group, then again filter on the grouped column, then at last step you will have to sort if this demands in your question or your business requirement. So in the last step we will perform order by, and here also we will provide the column names. Okay, and ascending or descending, whatever is your requirement. So now let's see the use of having keyword practically. So in the previous question, we had find the total number of rides on each day of week. But here we added a condition that we want only those days in which the rides were more than 1,000. Okay. So here Thursday and Wednesday, you can see that the rides were more than 1,000. So how to write this query? So first we will copy and paste this code. So select day of week, then count of booking ID from Ola and group by day of week. So this will give the this result. But we want to filter on the basis of count of booking ID. Okay. So we will have to use the having keyword and give the condition. So what is our condition? So the condition is count of. So we have to pass this inside quote because there is a space in between. Having count of booking ID is greater than 1000. Okay. So if we run this query, we can here you can see that on Thursday and Wednesday it was the total number of rides were more than 1000. Okay. And again, let's say we do a filter again, and here we can, okay, so we want only those weeks in which only those day of week which first letter start with S. Okay. So here we will give the where day of week like, and this will contain S%. Okay. So here we have given a condition. So first it will filter all those records in which uh, the day starts with S. So this will contain Saturday and Sunday, and again it will group those records Saturday and Sunday. And here we change the requirement from 1000 to 100. Okay. And if we run this query, we will get only Saturday because there is only a single day which is starting from S, and on that day the number of bookings are more than 100. If we run only this query, you can find Saturday and Sunday both because it is only selecting this code. Okay, so first it is filtering the records on the basis of name starting with S, then it grouped it on the basis of day of week. So here we have only two records, Saturday and Sunday. Then it group the records, and here we again do filtering on the basis of on the grouped column. Okay. And at last you can do sorting also. So if you want to do sort, so let's say this is, let's keep it 50, and order by what is count of booking ID, and we pass the booking ID inside the quote close space order by count of booking ID. And if we run this query, then this will give the result in ascending order. And if we do DESC, then this will give the result in descending order. Okay. So you can see that here our result is in descending order. So hope you have learned how to use the having keyword and what should be the order of execution of a SQL code, when to use where and when to use having, because there is a lot of confusion in the people in using uh, where to use the where keyword and when to use the having keyword. So hope it is clear to you. So let's stop this video and hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.